Seven incredible things your brain does every day that's almost fake. It's almost like your brain is lying to you. Tell me something very honestly. Have you walked into a room and completely forgotten why you were there? Or replayed the same conversation over and over in your head? Or looked at the clouds and suddenly seen the face of a rabbit? If you've experienced any of these, congratulations! Your brain is working exactly as it should. The human brain is one of the most fascinating things in the universe. It weighs only about 1.4 kilograms, and yet it controls every thought, every memory, every emotion, and every decision you make. And the strangest part, it does some incredibly weird things as well, and most of us don't even realize this. Today, I'm sharing with you 7 amazing things your brain does every single day. And some of this might completely change the way you look at yourself. So let's begin. Point number 1, your brain is constantly deleting memories. Imagine remembering every single face, every phone number, every single meal you've eaten, or every word you've ever heard. Sounds impossible, doesn't it? That's because your brain isn't designed to remember everything. It's designed to remember what matters most to you. Scientists now believe that forgetting isn't a defect. It's actually an essential part of learning. Your brain regularly removes information it considers unnecessary for you. Now think of it like clearing out your wardrobe. If you never threw out anything you own, how would you ever find something that you wanted from that wardrobe? So the next time you forget someone's name or why you walked into a room, panic immediately. Sometimes your brain is simply making space for more important information that will actually serve. Forgetting can actually be a sign that your brain is working efficient. Point number 2, time doesn't actually move faster as you get older. Have you noticed how summer holidays as a child seem to last forever, but now blink and it's already December? Here's why. Your brain doesn't actually measure time, it measures experiences. When you were young, almost everything is new. Your first day at school, your first bicycle, your first best friend, your first trip. Because these experiences were new, your brain stored a lot of details. More details created richer memories. But as adults, life often becomes very predictable. Wake up, go to work, come home, and repeat. When fewer new memories are created, your brain has fewer markers to separate one week from another. That is why time just seems to fly by. If you want to fulfill that you want to live longer, don't wait for years. Just create more first. Take a different route back home, learn a language, cook a new recipe, visit a new place. Novelty stretches time inside your brain. Point number 3, your brain hears your name even when nobody has actually called you. Have you ever been in a crowded shopping mall and heard your name and just turned around and you realized nobody really called out to you? You're not imagining it. Your brain is constantly filtering millions of sounds around. If it processed everything equally, you'd become overwhelmed within seconds. Instead, it pays special attention to the information that matters the most, and nothing is more important to your brain than your own name. Psychologists call this the cocktail party effect. Even in a noisy room, your brain keeps quietly listening for familiar noises, the voices, important words, and especially your name. It's one of the reasons parents instantly wake up when their baby cries, even when they actually sleep through thunder. Your brain is always standing guard. Point number 4, your brain literally makes up part of what you see. This might be the strangest fact of all. You think you're seeing reality, but your brain is actually filling in missing information every single minute. Here's a simple example. Have you ever read a sentence where a few letters were all mixed up and you still understood it correctly, isn't it? That's because your brain doesn't read every letter individually. It predicts what should be there. The same thing happens with vision. Your eyes don't capture every tiny detail. Instead, your brain combines what your eye sees with what it already expects to see. In other words, your brain isn't just absorbing reality, it's constantly making educated guesses about it. Sometimes those guesses are right, and sometimes they create optical illusions. Sometimes they may make two people witness the exact same event and remember it completely different. Point number 5, your brain sees faces everywhere. Look at the moon, a slice of toast, a car, an electrical socket. Suddenly there's a face. This phenomena is called pareidolia. Your brain is incredibly specialized at recognizing faces. Thousands of years ago, recognizing another human being quickly could mean the difference between survival and danger. So your brain became extremely sensitive to facial patterns. In fact, it is so good at finding places that it often finds them where none exists, which explains why your morning coffee sometimes look like it's smiling at you. Point number 6, your brain rewrites your memories every time you remember them. Most people think memories are stored like videos. They're not. Every single time you remember an event, your brain rebuilds that memory. It pieces together emotions, details, beliefs, and sometimes even the information that you learned after. And that is why two siblings can remember the same childhood event completely differently. Neither one is necessarily lying. They are simply reconstructing the memory from a different emotional perspective. This also explains why, after a painful your brain rewrites your memories every time you remember them. Most people think memories are stored like videos. They're not. Every single time you remember an event, your brain rebuilds that memory. It pieces together emotions, details, beliefs, and sometimes even the information that you learned after. And that is why two siblings can remember the same childhood event completely differently. Neither one is necessarily lying. They are simply reconstructing the memory from a different emotional perspective. This also explains why, after a painful breakup, you suddenly remember only the bad moments. Or after falling in love, you somehow forget all the red flags. Your memories aren't recordings, they're stories your brain keeps rewiring. And point number 7, your brain can reduce pain just because it expects to. This one sounds almost unbelievable. Imagine taking a pill. You truly believe it's going to help you, and suddenly you actually feel better, even if that pill contains no medicine at all. And this is called the placebo effect. What's even more fascinating is that researchers have found that in some situations, people can experience improvement even when they know they're taking a placebo. Why do you think that is? Because expectation itself changes the way brain processes pain and discomfort. Your thoughts don't magically cure illnesses, but they do influence how your brain experiences symptoms, stress, and recovery. Your brain is constantly responding not only to reality but also to what it believes reality will be. So, my dears, the more I study psychology, the more I am amazed by one simple truth. Most of us spend our lives trying to understand other people while knowing very little about the incredible machine sitting inside our heads. Your brain is not perfect. It forgets, it predicts, it fills in the gaps, it rewrites memories, it even changes the way you experience time. But once you understand why it does these things, you stop judging yourself so harshly. You become a little more curious, a little more compassionate, and perhaps a little more human. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe, because every week we'll explore fascinating psychology, brain science, and the hidden patterns that quietly shape our everyday lives. So until next time, take care of your mind. It's been taking care of you since the day you were born, and now your turn.